Owning an investment property will require regular maintenance, upgrades, and sometimes emergency repairs. As your property managers, we understand the cost and anxieties associated with maintaining a property. Our goal is to save owners from the headaches of repairs while ensuring the value of your investment is protected. By law, as your manager, the property's maintenance schedule must comply with the building, housing, and health codes for the region. Our decades of experience in the area has provided us with a database of qualified vendors that we rely on to service the properties that we manage. With many vendors now charging for estimates, we save our owners money by sending the best vendor for the job. Our vendors are vetted to be capable and reliable with market rate pricing. We keep owners informed on job progress, and when it's completed, the invoice can be viewed directly online in your owner portal. By law, this includes maintaining the plumbing in good working condition, as well as providing reasonable heating and cooling systems. And we are required to keep the roof, windows, screens, floors, steps, porches, exterior walls, foundations, and all other structural components in good repair and capable of resisting normal forces. Your trust and our experience keeps your tenants happy, your property value rising, and your investment hassle-free.